can.
Okay.
Shouldn't be very long. He lives in the area, so.
Okay.
He had just gotten back home, and I think what we'll do is we'll have you follow him, and he'll just clear you a path, and hopefully you can get through.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we've already pushed up half an hour.
It's right next to this.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna hold the door.
Oh, okay, cool. All the photographers, come on down.
Take my layers off now.
This is your one chance.
Oh my god.
That's right. Look at this. Okay.
I can't even get out.
Okay. Really? Oh, okay. We have to do a show up like it's snowing. Ready? Yeah.
Like it's not.
Really?
It's not.
Go! Oh!
Oh, you.
I'm going! I'm going! I'm going!
Oh my goodness.
Now what do we do?
I don't know. We go inside maybe. I already changed. It's too late for